Today we're going to talk about stepladder safety. We use stepladders quite a lot. Now, if you use a ladder, especially under our circumstances, very often it is a step ladder. We use extension ladders as well, but step ladders are very, very common in the process of what we do. Accidents happen just as easily with step ladders as with other types of ladders and scaffolding, and the consequences can be just as serious. In fact, a study of ladder accidents found 20% of the injuries involved step ladders. Of 23 cases studied, 12 persons were injured in leisure time and 11 during working hours. The most common type of accident was when the ladder tipped over sideways. These accidents were caused by reaching out too far to one side, which caused an unintentional movement of the ladder. Other causes of stepladder accidents included placing the foot incorrectly, tripping and slipping, defective ladders and makeshift repairs, or failing to fold the ladder properly. So we're just going to talk about some safety tips today to bear in mind when you are using a step ladder. First, inspect the ladder to see if it's in good condition before you use it. Ensure the rungs are solid and securely fitted in the stiles. Also check that the spreaders are in good shape and able to lock into place. Look for any twisting or distortions in the shape of the ladder. Then place the ladder on a solid, even surface. Don't place it on snow or ice. That is very often difficult in our situation working where we do in the middle of the winter time. So if you have to do some snow or ice clearing, do that. Be sure to try to get it on a solid, even surface. If you have to position the ladder in a doorway or another traffic area, make sure that that route is adequately barricaded to prevent collisions. It's not a foregone conclusion that other people realize that you're on the other side of that doorway and can see you necessarily. So make sure that there is a method whereby they can know that you're on the other side to prevent collisions. Lock the spreaders into place before ascending the ladder and make sure that the step ladder legs are fully open. A step ladder is designed to be used in the open position. Don't lean it against the wall as a straight ladder. We do see this from time to time. It is a problem. It creates inherent safety issues. So don't lean it against the wall to use it as a straight ladder. If you need a straight ladder, go to the truck and get one, and then make sure that that ladder is tied off. Never climb onto the top two rungs of a step ladder. If you need to climb higher, get a taller ladder. Then always face the ladder when you're climbing up or down. This is not a stairs, so make sure that you're facing the ladder. Keep both hands on the side rails while climbing. Remember, 3 points of contact. Also, don't carry tools or materials up or down a ladder with your hands. Instead, carry them on a tool belt or move them with a rope or a basket. Don't overload a ladder with heavy materials, and don't allow more than one person on any ladder at any one time. Then also, don't reach out too far from the ladder in any direction. If you have to reach away from the ladder to work, climb down and move the ladder to a new position. These are just some tips I want to pass on to you. We very often talk about behavior-based safety. Today, we're just going to talk about this particular piece of equipment and consider how to use it safely.